Hello all, welcome to the channel. This is Astha, and guys, in this video we're going to discuss about the most previously asked technical interview questions of Mindtree company for the position of software engineer. This all these questions are the most repeated questions, guys. So these questions were going to be help you out during your interview with technical interview with Mindtree company for sure. So please do watch the video till the end. Prepare all the questions nicely so that you'll attend your interview with confidence, and I'm going to share all the important tips also in the end of the video how you need to crack your technical interview round with Mindtree company. So please guys do watch the video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to the channel for latest information about the off-campus drives, interview experiences, interview question and answers, and all the latest updates. First, we'll see about all the important topics that you need to prepare for your technical round of interview. The very important thing is tell me about yourself, that is your introduction. Whether you are going for technical round of interview or HR round of interview, the first interviewer will going to ask you about your introduction, about your resume. Okay, so please guys do prepare this question very nicely. You need to answer them so that your first impression will be the last impression. Okay, give this answer with confidence, mention all your skills and all your courses if you have done, all the skills that are related and going to be benefit for this position. Okay, then you'll be having project major and minor. Okay, you need to prepare your projects, guys, because during technical round of interview they may ask you about the technicalities of your projects. They may ask you questions based on your projects. Mini and major, both the projects you need to prepare. Then preferred programming language skills. So whatever language you're mentioning in your resume, whether it is Java, whether it is Python, mostly the Mindtree company, they prefer Java people. If you are very good in Java, you may get an advantage there. But if you know any other language also like C, C++, Python, Java, any language, you need to mention that thing in your CV, and they're going to ask you all the questions based on that programming language also. Then whatever skills you're mentioning in your resume, or even if you're telling them during the introduction round, you should have basic knowledge of all those skills. If you're mentioning you know web development, if you're mentioning you have done your project on web development, guys, you should have basic knowledge of web development in that case. Okay, at least basic syntax, basic coding of your language. Okay, because this is a technical round of interview, they're going to check you on your technical skills. Okay, now I'm going to share all the basic questions that you must be prepared, all the previously most repeated questions that you must know the answers of during the technical round of interview of Mindtree company. So guys, be prepared for all those questions. First, I'm discussing about the all important topics that you need to prepare. Guys, the most important topic here is string. In the past interviews, all the recruitment drives, they used to ask most of the questions based on string. Okay, so you have to prepare string topic very nicely. You should have all the knowledge, all the questions related to string. You can go do Google also. I'm sharing all the questions in this video also, and if you want, you can do Google also about the mostly asked questions based on string. Okay, and then guys, they may ask you to write down simple logic, simple coding questions also, to write it down based on strings especially. Then you have data structure, then concepts of OOPS, database, files and storage, SQL, coding problems, network, database management system, operating system, algorithm and logic. So guys, you have to prepare all these topics. All these topics are really important. Previously this company, they used to ask most of the questions based on these topics, especially string, data structure, OOPS concepts, SQL and DBMS and algorithm. Okay, and your programming language. So guys, prepare yourself, and now we'll see some coding questions. The basic coding questions, they may ask you to write it down, or they may ask you about the logic of those questions. Okay, write a program that takes a 5-digit number and calculate to power that number and prints it. Okay, then they may ask you to write a code to find middle element in array. Then they may ask you to write a code to find most repeated element in array. String is most important, guys, so you have to prepare all the possible questions based on a string. Write a code to compare two strings. Print the character that occur only once in this string. Reverse a string. Find the middle element in array. Write a program to find the power a number. Okay, all these are just simple basic questions that I'm sharing with you guys. These questions are the most repeated questions previously asked during the technical interview to write down the code, or they ask you to explain you the logic. Okay, so please prepare these questions, and all the questions are similar to this type of questions, especially based on string, array, okay, and programming language, Fibonacci series, palindrome. All these questions are really most important. You need to prepare all these questions. Then all the theoretical questions based on all the related topics that I have shared with you. So here they may ask you what is inner join and outer join and their uses. You need to define memory management. You need to define namespace and assembly. Tell me the way to check if a given binary tree is BST or not. Define linked list. Define a static function. What is computer programming principles? Then what is the difference between C and C++, and what is the difference between C, C++ and Java? Okay, what are the properties of Java language? Write a program to explain overriding. What do you know about overriding in Java? Okay, what is database and advantages and disadvantages of views in database? Then what do you mean by serialization? What is data type? State the difference between interface and abstract. How do you pass data from one JSP to another JSP? Tell me real world examples of polymorphism and encapsulation. This question for sure they're going to ask you about the inheritance, polymorphism or encapsulation. Tell me the real life example of these questions, okay? Then does Java support multiple inheritance? Explain how. Then they may ask you what is the difference between Java and .NET. What do you mean by data complexity? What is function? What are linear and non-linear data structures? Explain serialization and overriding. So guys, these are some most important and most repeatedly asked questions that were asked during the Mindtree interview previously. So guys, you have to prepare these questions, prepare all the answers, just note it down and practice them, okay? And along with that, I would like to tell you, please practice some of your coding also. Whatever language you are good at, please practice some coding questions also based on the string, data structure, array, Fibonacci series, palindrome, okay? Reverse a string, find the maximum salary and all those questions, okay? Please, array based and string based questions you have to prepare. They may ask you about the logics, okay, logics behind your question, okay, because they're going to check your coding skills here, the technical skills here. So whatever language you're mentioning that I'm good in Java, I'm good in Python, I'm good in C, C++, whatever, you should know all the details about that language, at least basic syntax, their coding, क्या functions हैं, कैसे use कर रहे हैं, क्या loop use कर रहे हैं, all the things, okay? You should know all these things. So please prepare yourself for that. Research कर लीजिए, and even I have shared a complete detailed video on Mindtree interview experiences, how you have to prepare for the Mindtree interview, their technical questions and mostly asked HR questions, how you need to answer those questions. I have shared all the details in the video. I'll give you a link in the I button also and in the description box also. You just go and prepare that video, guys. And guys, the most important thing is during the interview you have to look confident, okay? Your confidence is the only key that will going to crack this interview. So please be confident. It is not necessary that you need to answer all the questions. If you don't know any answer, tell them that you don't know answer politely, no problem with that. But please don't give wrong answers and cooking up stories and waste the interviewer's time. Don't do such things. Be confident, look confident, keep a slight smile on your face, be cool and calm. The interviews will going to be very easy if you have basic technical knowledge, guys. Don't worry, you all can crack the interview. Have that confidence in you and I'm sure you will do that, okay? So please do subscribe to the channel for all the latest information about the Mindtree interviews and how you need to do the preparation, okay? So please guys, for all the latest information about the off-campus drives, interview experiences, interview question and answers, do subscribe to the channel and share this video with as many people as you can so that maximum can get benefit from it. Thank you. We'll meet in next video. Bye bye.